Today we're putting two highly anticipated contenders head-to-head, the Oppo A5 Pro versus the Xiaomi Redmi Note 14. Both phones boast impressive specs and killer features, but which one delivers the best bang for your buck? We're breaking down every detail to crown the true champion. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out all our latest tech reviews and updates. Starting with design, both the Oppo A5 Pro and Redmi Note 14 are stunning devices. The Oppo A5 Pro features a sleek, minimalist design with a vegan leather back panel that looks premium and resists fingerprints. It's available in two gorgeous colors, olive green and mocha brown. The phone feels premium in hand, thanks to its slim 7.8mm profile and lightweight build of 194 grams. On the other hand, the Redmi Note 14 opts for a classic look with its matte polycarbonate back and a color gradient finish. It's slightly heavier and thicker, weighing 197 grams and 8.2mm thick. Both are having flat edges that, for me, more comfortable to hold. Redmi offers it in four color options, like midnight black, ocean blue, lime green, and mist purple. Now, which one has better design? For me, I prefer the Oppo A5 Pro, with slightly slim, vegan leather and no fingerprint magnet. When it comes to displays, both the Oppo A5 Pro and Redmi Note 14 deliver sharp, smooth visuals, but with some key differences. The Oppo A5 Pro sports a 6.67-inch IPS LCD HD Plus panel with a silky 120Hz refresh rate, making every swipe and scroll buttery smooth. Thanks to its 1000 nit peak brightness, the screen stays crisp even under harsh sunlight, while vibrant colors and deep blacks enhance movies and games. The Redmi Note 14, meanwhile, outperforms its rival with a stunning 6.67-inch AMOLED display that maintains the same smooth 120Hz refresh rate. It boasts a sharper 1080 by 2040 Full HD Plus resolution compared to the Oppo A5 Pro's HD resolution, along with a superior 1800 nits peak brightness for excellent outdoor visibility. Colors appear vibrant, blacks are deep and rich, and video quality is noticeably more detailed. For those seeking the best visual experience, the Redmi Note 14 is undoubtedly the clear winner. Performance is where the Oppo A5 Pro flexes its muscles. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset with a speedy 2.4 GHz peak clock speed, paired with up to 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. This phone handles multitasking and gaming with ease. Even demanding titles run smoothly without hiccups. The Redmi Note 14, on the other hand, is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 Ultra, which operates at a slightly lower maximum clock speed of 2.2 GHz. However, it matches the Oppo A5 Pro in memory and storage, offering the same 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. In everyday use, both phones deliver smooth performance for routine tasks like social media, streaming, and light gaming. So, which one comes out on top? It's a close call. Both devices hold their own, making the choice a matter of preference rather than capability. Now let's talk cameras, where both phones surprisingly go toe-to-toe. The Oppo A5 Pro packs a competent dual-camera setup, a sharp 50-megapixel main shooter paired with a 2-megapixel depth sensor. Daylight shots impress with crisp details, balanced exposure, and natural colors that pop without looking oversaturated. Up front, the 8-megapixel selfie camera delivers flattering skin tones. Nothing revolutionary, but perfectly serviceable for video calls and social media snaps. The Redmi Note 14 has triple camera setup with 108-megapixel main sensor, paired with 2-megapixel depth camera and 2-megapixel macro lens. In side-by-side tests, both phones produce nearly indistinguishable results. The same vibrant colors, similar dynamic range, and matching detail levels. Videography capabilities are identical too, with both limited to 1080p at 30 frames per second. So, which phone wins the camera battle? Surprisingly, it's the Redmi Note 14, thanks to its high-resolution 108-megapixel main sensor and a more versatile setup that includes a dedicated macro lens. While both devices deliver solid performance, the Redmi's superior hardware gives it the edge in detail, flexibility, and overall shooting experience. When it comes to battery life, both the Oppo A5 Pro and Redmi Note 14 are powerhouses, but one goes the extra mile. The Oppo A5 Pro impresses with its 5,800 mAh battery and blazing fast 45-watt charging, juicing up from 0% to 50% in just 35 minutes. Even under heavy use, it easily powers through a full day, making it a dependable pick for multitaskers and gamers. But the Redmi Note 14 has smaller 5,500 mAh battery and 33-watt charging, refueling from empty to 55% in just 44 minutes. While both phones deliver all-day endurance, the A5 Pro's extra capacity and near-instant top-ups give it a clear edge, especially for travelers, binge watchers, and anyone who hates battery anxiety. It's clearly the Oppo A5 Pro takes the crown in battery department, offering unbeatable stamina and rapid charging so you stay powered up longer, faster. If battery life is your top priority, this is the phone that won't let you down. Both the Oppo A5 Pro and Redmi Note 14 are packed with amazing features that cater to modern smartphone users. Oppo A5 Pro comes equipped with side-mounted fingerprint scanner, while Redmi Note 14 with in-display fingerprint scanner for secure and convenient unlocking, along with stereo speakers that deliver immersive audio for gaming, streaming, and calls. Additionally, Oppo A5 Pro boasts an IP69 rating, ensuring top-tier dust and water resistance, making them durable enough to withstand harsh environments and accidental spills, while Redmi Note 14 with IP54 dust and splash resistant. On top of that, Oppo A5 Pro supports 5G connectivity, ensuring future-proof performance, and lightning-fast internet speeds for seamless browsing, streaming, and downloading, while Redmi Note 14 supports 4G connectivity. These shared features highlight the device's commitment to delivering a high-end user experience. Now let's cut to the chase. The Oppo A5 Pro is priced at 899 dirhams, while the Redmi Note 14 comes in at a more budget-friendly 649 dirhams here in Dubai. So, which one deserves your hard-earned money? If you prioritize peak performance, a premium leather-back design, a slimmer profile, IP69 rating, a larger battery, fast charging, and 5G connectivity, the Oppo A5 Pro is the clear choice. It's the ideal option for users who want a sophisticated look and seamless day-to-day performance. On the other hand, if you prefer an immersive AMOLED display, long battery life, a higher resolution and more versatile camera setup, and a more affordable price, even with its 4G limitation, the Redmi Note 14 is the smarter buy. While it trades some processing power and network speed, it delivers superior visuals, impressive camera capabilities, and eye-catching aesthetics at a lower cost. Alright, that's it for today's comparison of the Oppo A5 Pro versus Xiaomi Redmi Note 14. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out!